My name is TenDolkar, and I'm making this appeal to President Obama to speak up for Tibet, to take action for Tibet, because Tibet needs you now. I am a Tibetan, and I live in the US, and I'm an American. And with what is happening inside Tibet, with over 87 Tibetan self-immolations, where Tibetans have lit themselves on fire in protest of the Chinese rule, in protest of their lives being literally being smashed by the Chinese government, the very fact that their families, their friends, their brothers and sisters, their revered teachers, their monks and nuns are being taken, arrested for simply wanting to be Tibetan. That's more than enough for me to want to take action here in the US, but it should be enough for you as a leader, not just of the US, but as a leader seen by the world, seen by the global community to take action for Tibet. There's been over 24 self-immolations in the past 26 days, now 27, and it's been it's been nonstop. This self-immolation, these acts of protest have been nonstop, and you have to stand up. You have to speak up. You have to take action. You can't just sit back and wait for the Chinese government to take action. They're not going to admit their failed policies. They're not going to admit their mistakes. They're not going to admit the fact that they're the ones causing these grievances for the Tibetan people. You have to. You and the world leaders, people that the community looks up to, the people that the world looks up to, you have to take a stand. Please, you have to. Tibet needs you now.